How to fix news and interest high memory usage on Windows 11. 1. Install Windows hotfixes released by Microsoft. 2. Uncheck reduce taskbar updates for news and interests. 3. Turn off news and interests by modifying registry. To do so, set 1 or 2 to shell feeds taskbar view mode dword at hkey_current_user /software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/feeds. Reboot your computer. 4. Use group policy. Editor. To do so, turn off Enable News and Interests on the taskbar policy at Computer Configuration Administrative Templates Windows Components News and Interests Inc.msc. 5. Repair system files. Commands include sfc /scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/check healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health.